Attorney Titus Nichols here. Just wanted to take a brief moment to talk to you about some questions that people typically have about their personal injury cases. One common question I get a lot is, how much is my case worth? That's kind of a difficult question to answer because there's no guaranteed formula. Pretty much when you reach out to a lawyer and you're talking to them, what you have to understand is that the value of your case is going to be based on the medical expenses, meaning you've gone to the hospital, how much money your medical treatment costs, as well as lost wages and what's known as pain and suffering. Now, your medical expenses, that's easy to calculate. That just goes off of, you go to the hospital, they give you a bill. Whatever your cost of medical treatment, being taken to the hospital in the ambulance, the emergency room, the physician's bill, any follow-up treatment, that's going to be a part of that bill. If you go to a chiropractor or a physical therapist or you have to have surgery, that's going to be a part of your medical treatment. Then there's going to be your lost wages. So that's going to be based upon how much you make at your job. So if you have an hourly job where you're paid, say, $15 an hour, you'll just provide some paperwork to your lawyer that's signed by your job saying that you've missed X number of days from work, this is how much you make, and then they'll sign it. And then that will be factored into the value of your case. Then finally, there's the pain and suffering. Now, pain and suffering is more difficult because that's not a strict formula. That goes into your own individual situation. Are there certain activities that you're not able to do anymore? Does it hurt when you try to do work around the house? Like if you typically would wash clothes or do work around the house, but now when you bend over, you experience extreme pain. That's part of your pain and suffering. Your spouse. Has your spouse been affected by you being injured, you not being able to work, you not being able to engage with the family the way you used to? All of those things go into determining the value of your case. Now, the insurance company doesn't care about any of that. The insurance company is going to try to nickel and dime you and say, well, your medical bills are $5,000. Well, we think it's only worth $3,500. Or something that insurance companies have started doing more often is saying that, well, our driver accepts liability. They were wrong, but we believe your driver was 30% at fault. So we're going to give him $10,000, but then deduct 30%. That's garbage. Do not pay attention to that. In fact, don't even talk to the insurance company. What you need is an experienced lawyer who has experience going to trial, fighting the insurance companies, and making sure that you get the money that you're owed. So be sure to subscribe to my Facebook, Instagram, all of the social media. And if you got any other questions, just put in the comment section. Thanks.